What's going on, guys? This is going to be a short review on a irrigation timer that I just hooked up. It's a single zone, so if you guys just want to water your front lawn like I'm doing, this is definitely the easiest to set up and easiest to use irrigation timer. So here it is. Right there, that's what it looks like. This is the manual. There's the information on it. Got it from Home Depot. It was about 60 bucks. It's a Bluetooth timer. This is a typical installation right here. Hook it up to your hose bib, and it's got a outlet that you can just hook your hose on if that's what you're using it for. The way I got it set up right here, I just bought some adapters. I have a 1/2-inch PVC feed, and then it goes to a 1/2-inch PVC line that goes out to my front lawn sprinkler system. Super easy to set up, super easy to use. Just wanted to give you a quick overview. Basically, you're just going to download this app right there, the Dig BTT app. Once you download that, I mean, all you got to do is put 2 AA batteries in this compartment right here. Download that app, fire it up. It'll find it within seconds. Click on it, link it. And that's pretty much it. You're ready to go. This is an overview. Batteries kind of tells you what it consists of, the compartment, the connections, and the button to manual run or reset. So to reset it, when you first put the batteries in, if you need to, just push and hold that for like 15 seconds, and then it'll clear out anything that was in there. This is what it looks like on your app. So that when you first download the app, you'll open it and it'll say scanning, and then it'll find it, click on it, and then you'll go to this screen right here, and it's super easy. Great interface. Weekly, even, odd. I mean, I use the weekly. I got it set up for twice a week here, and you can set when it turns on, when it turns off, the duration, settings, manual run. You can just click on it from your phone and hit manual run to test. So it's really great, really feature full. It's got rain delay, scheduled off dates. You have a name that you can set, a picture ID, and a password, so no one can just click on it. So that's cool, a little security there for your irrigation timer. It's got the option for manual run inside the app. So that's really about it. Just was looking for something real simple to install. I only water my front lawn, so I just needed something that turns on and turns off, and this is awesome. It's completely waterproof. So I think most people are going to set it up like how I got it, with the 1/2-inch PVC fittings there. Each fitting is like less than $2. So great buy. Really happy with the app. Was a little skeptical, Bluetooth irrigation timer, but turned out to be great. Easy to use, lots of features, easy to set up, so definitely recommend it. Again, I got it from Home Depot. It was about 60 bucks. So if you're looking for a simple one-zone irrigation timer that you can manage with your phone, this is it. You guys got any more questions? Let me know. Thanks.